Hi everyone, Siavash here, high-level certified admin, first Australian to be certified admin. I'm super pumped that you guys are here. So this is a welcome video of the high-level 101 for beginners course that you guys are signed up for. This is completely free. What we're going to do in this course is to teach you everything that you need to know to get you started with your high level. There's a lot of content in there, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna basically be able by the end of this course to set up your own business, pipeline, automations, nurturing, how to do website, how to do funnels, all of those kind of things that you can do within the high level for you as a beginner. On top of that, what I'm going to do is because high level change and update very, very frequently, this course is going to be evergreen and I'm going to update it regularly as soon as high level release new changes. So make sure wherever you're watching this video, either on YouTube, Udemy, or from my community, make sure that you go ahead and join our high level one-on-one for beginners community because that's where I put all the updates and those kind of things. And it's completely free. It's just like a community for everyone that is signed up to this course to be able to do a conversation, give us feedback, what we can do better, what you liked about it, and those kind of stuff. And yeah, that's it. So without further ado, we're going to jump into the next session and we're going to get this thing started. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.